Making sense of your data through sorting. Let's talk about something you'll do constantly in Excel: sorting. Right now, we're focusing on what's called single level sorting, and that just means sorting your data based on one column at a time. What single level sorting actually means: think of it this way. You've got a spreadsheet with multiple columns, maybe product ID, product name, cost, stock. Single level sorting lets you reorganize everything based on just one of those columns. You pick one, Excel rearranges all your rows accordingly. Here's the thing: this approach has a limitation you need to understand up front. With single level sorting, you can't tell Excel, sort by product name and then sort by stock. It's one or the other. You choose product name or you choose stock, but not both simultaneously. That kind of multi-layered sorting exists, but it's a different technique entirely. Where to find your sorting options? Excel gives you 3 different paths to the same destination, which I actually appreciate because it means you can work however feels most natural to you. First, there's the Home ribbon. If you look all the way to the right side, you'll spot an editing group. Inside that group sits a button labeled Sort and Filter. Click it, and right at the top, you'll see your basic options for sorting alphabetically: A to Z or Z to A. Second option, head over to the Data ribbon. Right in the middle, there's a dedicated Sort and Filter group. Same basic sorting buttons live here: A to Z, Z to A. It's just a different neighborhood for the same tools. The third method is my personal favorite for quick work. Simply right-click directly on any cell in the column you want to sort by. A contextual menu appears, and if you scroll down about 3/4 of the way, you'll find those same sorting options waiting for you. No ribbon hunting required. Sorting text fields. Let's say you've got a column filled with product names: laptop, monitor, keyboard, that sort of thing. You want them arranged alphabetically. Click anywhere in that product name column, choose your sorting method, ribbon or right-click, doesn't matter, and select Sort A to Z. Just like that, Excel reorganizes every single row in your dataset, so that anti-glare comes first, followed by cable, then CPU. Changed your mind? Maybe now you want everything sorted by opening stock instead. No problem. Click somewhere in your column, right-click, go to Sort, choose A to Z. Your entire dataset reshuffles based on this new column. The previous product name sort, gone, replaced. Remember, single-level sorting only holds one sorting criterion at a time: sorting numerical data. Here's where Excel shows off a bit of intelligence. When you right-click on a column containing numbers, opening stock, cost price, whatever, the sorting options automatically adjust. Instead of A to Z, you'll see smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Excel recognized you're working with numerical data and gave you options that actually make sense for numbers. Want your highest opening stock at the top? Sort largest to smallest. Need to find your lowest opening stock? Smallest to largest puts them right where you can see them. The mechanics work identically to text sorting, only the terminology changes. Sorting by cell formatting. Now this is where things get genuinely interesting. Beyond text and numbers, Excel can actually sort based on how your cells look. If you've applied background colors, font colors, or conditional formatting icons to certain cells, you can use those visual elements as sorting criteria. Let's say you've highlighted several rows with an orange background. Maybe they're flagged items that need attention. You want those highlighted rows grouped together at the top of your list. Click on any cell that has that orange background. Right-click, navigate to Sort, and you'll notice an option that says Put Selected Cell Color on Top. Select it, and Excel immediately gathers all identically colored cells and moves them to the beginning of your dataset. Font color works the exact same way. If you formatted certain text in orange, or red, or blue, or whatever, you can right-click on one of those colored cells, go to Sort, and choose Put Selected Font Color on Top. Every row containing that font color rises to the top. This formatting-based sorting is particularly handy when you've been manually highlighting important items throughout your work. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of rows looking for your highlighted entries, one quick sort brings them all together.